What's up guys, and welcome back to this channel. So, for today's episode, we're going to build some cool stuff in the back of the Jeep. So we're going to begin with the trunk. Okay, so stick around, hope you like it. Thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you don't like it. It's really fair, I know. So, if you're new to this channel, my name is Christian. We do everything with cars, bikes and trucks, you name it. If you want to see some special things, hit that in the comment section below. I'm reading it every day. I love the comments from you guys. I really appreciate it. So let's hit that work on the trunk. This is how I work. I try to visualize it and do a template. So we got the milling tool set up, and this is actually the template of what you're gonna see. So the only thing you're gonna see is actually from the speakers. So this is the 6.5 and this is the tweeter, and this is what you're gonna see when you stand behind the car and see the trunk. So this is actually framed for the 6.5 and the tweet in the back of the trunk, and you saw the process of doing it, and it smells really good. Look at this, we're having a little barbecue. Ooh, hamburgers! So guys, we're back at the trunk again, and we're test fitting the panel with the sound system in it, and we have actually just made some distances here and glue them with some hot glue. And one important thing is that you need to put it on the trunk when you're gonna use the polyester. You want to have this shape. If you're gonna do it on the floor without the trunk, I promise you're not gonna get the perfect fitment. So now we're gonna take this cloth or fabric, I don't know what you call it, but we're going to stretch it over and then use the workshop, and it's almost 1 o'clock at night again, and the energy is full on as usual. We wake up at night, we're night people, but we're still at the trunk, and I want to show you the template of the vision I have. As usual, it looks like hell, and you hopefully cannot figure it out, and you're going to be so psyched when you see the results. But this is again in the middle of the night what I came up with. Hope you like the design and hope you like the end results. I'm gonna cut these out now, and as usual I want to have nice radius everywhere. So in the cuts it's gonna be radius, a chamfer. It's gonna be a hell of a lot of challenges figuring out how this should fit, because you need to calculate with the fabric and the magnets that are gonna hold this template or plate. guys, we're here again, and I'm sorry guys, we lost some footage again, so we're jumping way ahead than you actually saw in the last clip. But jumping straight ahead and a couple of steps, the last thing you actually saw was that we had added the fiberglass on the enclosure, or whatever we should call it, the sound install in the trunk. But this is actually almost finished now. So the first stage after the glass fiber was actually adding some carbon fiber bondo, and then of course we sanded that down and we did apply some soft bondo. And this is, yeah, we have like a couple of hours left before we actually can finish this off. So what I'm not really happy about is, if you come closer, you can see this edge. Actually, this is not, they should actually be flush with each other. So I think we're gonna mill out a frame, add this to this, because the problem here is actually we don't have the distance. So when we have the mids here, that's gonna go out and in when you play the music, and I'm afraid it's gonna hit the font. So we're just gonna add a frame around here, take some bondo and fiberglass, and then it's finished. Then we can actually connect the speakers to the amps and try it out and see how it actually sounds.
Oh, yeah.
Damn guys, this is gonna look epic because it looks molto bueno. Just the design up here, then we're going downstairs. So the subwoofer box is finally finished. We did mill in the subwoofers into the first layer of wood, and then we have a back plate just to mount the subwoofers. Gonna be strong. And then, as you've seen, the floor is done. We're gonna have some plexiglass in between every sheet of step here. So amplifier, then we have plexiglass, then we have sheet again, then plexiglass. You're gonna figure it out when I'm done. It's gonna be cool with all the plexiglass and all the RGB lights that we're gonna have in there. So please comment in the comment section below, what do you think of my design in the back of the audio system? I think it's epic, cool. It's gonna be so crispy nice when every detail is done. Hit the like button if you like this content. If you don't, thumbs down, you know what to do. And please subscribe to this channel if you want to see some more epic content. See you guys. Hej då!